Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin now. Open the app or setting that supports screen-off capture and select your profile. Tap Record immediately so the process is running. This prevents missing the moment. Make sure you granted microphone and storage permissions and enabled background or overlay permissions so the OS won't kill the task. Pick a resolution and frame rate that balance quality and file size. Once recording runs in background, you'll be able to lock or turn off the screen and keep capturing. Once done with initial start, configure the app to run reliably in background by enabling foreground service or persistent notification. This tells the system to keep it alive. Next, disable battery optimization or add the app to the device's protected list so aggressive power management won't stop recording when the screen turns off. You should make a quick 1 to 3 second test recording and lock the screen to verify both audio and video persist. This confirms your chosen settings actually work in practice. To finish, stop recording using the app's persistent notification, a scheduled timer, or by briefly turning the screen back on and using the in-app control. This ensures the file finalizes correctly. Then inspect the saved file for sync and integrity and move it to cloud or backup storage. If recording unexpectedly stopped, make sure permissions and foreground service remain enabled and disable third-party task killers or battery cleaners. These are the most common reasons system policies terminate background capture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.